Drowning in messy spreadsheets? Let Copilot do the heavy lifting, fast. Problem first. Executives want insight, not raw rows. You've got messy tables, tight deadlines, and zero time to build formulas. Solution. Here's a 90-second workflow that actually works. Step 1. Copy your Excel table. Paste it into Microsoft Copilot, or paste into ChatGPT. Say, summarize trends. Summarize outliers. Watch it pull the top signals, spikes, dips, surprising exceptions. Step 2. Ask, which chart best shows month-over-month change? Copilot recommends the right visual, line chart, column chart. You'll get exact phrasing to create it, no guesswork. Step 3. Ask for a tight write-up. Generate a 3-bullet executive summary. Generate a 120-word email to leadership. Copy, paste, hit send. Result. In under 2 minutes, you've gone from raw data to insight, visualization, an executive-ready email. No formulas required. Try it now with a real table. Paste, ask, send, and reclaim your afternoon.